separated from our group because, well, the other group was walking too fast, and we kind of got lost. We didn't know where to go. We're like, let's just keep on going straight. Pray to God that they're there. The weather was amazing. We even went outside to go sit on the bleachers for a bit with our friend. But yeah, the weather was
This is
so
a national
nice.
test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test. Broadcast and cable operators in your area have developed this system in voluntary cooperation with FEMA, the FCC, and local authorities to keep you informed in the event of an emergency. If this had been an actual emergency, an official message would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this national test of the emergency alert system.
And the sun started at 8:18. So yeah, it was really nice. Now for today, it is 74 degrees up with a high of 77. Now, yes, it is during the evening, so the high is already passed, and also we were out of school at that time, so yeet. But yeah, then we have a low of 53 degrees tonight. So that's really not that bad. Honestly, lately it has been like 30 degrees during the night, but now it feels amazing. It's even shorts weather here. But yeah, today is just amazing. The grass is so green. It's also helicopter season. But yeah, this is our backyard, and it is just so beautiful. You guys can already see the green coming inside the scenery. Those are actually just the buds and, you know, a few leaves, but I cannot believe that spring is already here. I'm gonna just sneak out of the camera view. But yeah, it's just such a nice day out, especially with the breeze. You know, it's so nice out. Like, the breeze is blowing to the east, and it's like really warm, and it's just feels and looks amazing. Today we have 40% chance of rain and clouds coming in from the west. You can already see those clouds forming, and they're coming in, and they're going to get thicker over the night, and it will increase rain chances tomorrow. Sunset today will be at 8.